Hi guys, hey, it's Linz. I'm back. This is my official 2020 craft room tour. I don't think I gave you guys one in 2019, so this is it. I'm holding my phone with a tripod, so hopefully it's not too shaky, but let's get right into it. So this this is new. So when you come down my basement stairs right there, I needed something here, so like if Mikey has his friends over, they can't see what I'm doing, and also for my mother-in-law because she loves to come downstairs and just stare at me. She's very weird. So it's just a stall shower curtain, if you see it there. So there's a rod up there that it just hangs on. Not bad. I think I got all of it for less than $20 on Amazon. And it just gives me that safe, private feeling, so like my whole craft room, I just feel warm down here. Let me stand back though. I'm going to give you a complete shot of my craft room. So where I'm standing now back here, this is like an extra bedroom. Eventually I want to kind of redo it, but for now I just have the other half. So let's start over here next to where we walked in. This is a hot mess. I haven't done anything with it yet. I plan on painting this probably like a blue or a purple. But it's just kind of like my catch-all. So these are my old scrapbooks. I'm talking probably 20 years old now, from when I was pregnant all through Mikey's early years. This one says 2018 on it, but it's empty. I was going to use that one, and then this Project Life album right here, that holds all of my page protectors. And then these are all my Project Life page protectors I've bought in recently. Down here we have lots of Project Life kits, 12 by 12 papers, storage, 12 by 12 pads, and just extra little storage containers that, I can use if I need them. I just kind of store them there. So eventually I'll redo this area and get it more organized and prettier, but it's basically just a catch-all. And that's a purse that my coworker bought me. It has unicorns all over it. I love it so much. And that was Bella's Halloween costume. I miss my baby girl. So I'll swing around real quickly. This is that bedroom I was talking about. Eventually I want to get that finished too, so maybe, just a spare room, but that's full of ribbon and paper. There's my markers, all my thickers, lots of storage down here right now. But for Christmas I actually got two rainbow umbrellas, so I put one down here just as decoration. So this is my comfy chair. I have my rainbow. That's my Bella dog that Jules got me, and then the diary with Bella on it. Not a day goes by that I don't think of my dog. I miss her still. So my Project Life album's completed, starting 2012, and I have 2018-19 done and completed, and I'm starting on 2020, baby. So and then this little guy, I painted that for Mikey when he was younger. It's a bank. It's really cute. And then I just put wrapping paper, rainbow wrapping paper, on this nightstand, which also holds some cute dish towels I found at Meyer. I wanted them in my craft room, and then an ornament from a friend. And I made this sign with glitter and spray paint. Yeah. And I also made this unicorn. It was just a wood unicorn, and I just painted it and then glittered it out. So, and some unicorn wall decorations that one of my friends made me. And this is the area that I'm most proud of, because all of these and all of these and all of these are all filled journals from my entire life. And those right there, those are new journals. They're empty, so yay. I have a lot more too underneath from gifts from you guys, and just you'll see a lot of gifts from people that you guys have sent me. Anything you send me goes in my craft room, or up on my board, which I'll show you. But I have tons of magazines that are ready to be cut up. Another rainbow painting that I did. And then this part here is new. I'm still thinking about painting it, but that's my Sizzix Big Kick, I think it's called. just a rainbow pillow. And then in these containers, that's all my inks, my clear stamps, and my, what do you call those? Those other stamps, like date stamps. And then down below, I'm going to store all of my Christmas stuff. So, yeah, we'll just move right on. On that little wall there was a calendar, a dry erase calendar I put up as soon as I moved in, and I still haven't touched it. Shame on me. This is a folder that I cut apart and framed. Carrie brought that for me when I met her at Starbucks. She came up from, where was it, Ohio? Indiana. And she gave me that, so I wanted to frame it and put it in my craft room. And it just sits on top of my 8x12 or 8.5 by 11 paper. Any magnets you guys send me, anything. So paper up here. This is like notepads, cute notepads that I use for Happy Meal. There's some 6x6 pads in there. And then down on the bottom is a Project Life. It's another kit down there and a cute pencil case. And then here, I love this wreath. I bought that from Target around Halloween, and it's going to stay in my craft room year round. I don't care. And then that ornament was a gift from my best friend this year. That unicorn on my wall, that is from Karen in Australia. Hey girl. So what you're looking at right now, these are all, this is my sticker stash, but probably just about 75% of it. I'll show you guys in a minute, but so these are all full of washi tapes, all full, right? Down below is my storage thing from IKEA, and each box has something in it. I won't go through it because it would take forever, you guys, but it holds like the my printer refills for my Canon selfie, padded envelopes for Happy Mail, cards, blank cards, ribbon, anything I need, my glue gun. It holds everything, and I'm really considering buying another one of these shelf things and stack it on top. I'm not sure yet, but I know I want to do more. And that's another, what's that called? Rascog cart. Just holds, the top shelf is all of, well, not all, but a ton of my Sharpies and markers. Project Life cards again, more Project Life cards, and you'll see ornaments. I love it when you guys send me ornaments. Italy, Australia, anything you guys send me, I take to heart. I keep it for real. Just a little picture board that like holds important pictures to me. And actually, that is my mom. She was in a photo booth sometime in the early 60s, so I love that picture. And then one of you beautiful followers sent me that diamond painting, and that's like my prized possession in this craft room, so thank you. And that's just like a rainbow yard decoration I got from Dollar Tree. It was so cute. I think it came out in the spring, so I'm gonna look for those again. And then let me stand back, and here's my work area. So there's my tripod I use to record my videos. These bad boys are all full of washi tape as well. The one on top is full, and I just bought this huge one yesterday at Michael's. So you can see, let me get closer, you guys, sorry, that was dumb. The bottom drawer, I'm keeping all my Sharpies. Those are all brand new. I organize them by color. And then from now on, any washi tapes I get, I'll just keep storing them in here. And once that's full, you guys, I have to be done. I can't buy anymore. I have so much washi tape. These are my Spectrum Noir markers. I tend to reach for those quite a bit. A beautiful card from Megan. I just love it so much. And my Tokidoki unicorn rainbow from Karen Beckman in Australia. She sent that as a housewarming gift. I love it so much. I'll cherish that forever. These were new washi tape spools from Joann's. Very cute. And I love my rainbow cup from a coworker with my rainbow bright ornament. You guys know, and you can see the theme is rainbows. I have my rainbow lava lamp warming up right now. That's where I keep all my glue sticks. I buy those in bulk from Amazon. My double-sided tape, that's very important to me. I have my coffee cup warmer and my selfie printer. That is a lifesaver, a godsend, if you will. I actually managed to complete my whole Project Life album for 2018-2019 using that printer. It's so nice to just print at home. So I keep my paper trimmers right next to me. I can just reach down and grab them. Under there is more stickers that I need to go through and organize. Some acrylic paints. And this is my heater for down here because it gets chilly. Down there, that box right there, that's completely full of stickers too. I have to go through that. I haven't even opened that since we moved. And some 12 by 12 papers and kits that I've bought. The garbage can is brand new. I wish I didn't have to get it in red, but hey, it matches the rainbow, I guess. But yeah, a little garbage can just wasn't cutting it for me anymore. So, and as always, my Lindsay rainbow. That's one of my favorite pieces ever. I love it so much with Rainbow Bright. This was a gift last year for Christmas. She made an ornament, a rainbow ornament for me, and I'll cherish that forever. It was from a coworker. And Faith got me a rainbow air freshener that I couldn't even put in my car because, you know, just some random, like my ruler, my X-Acto knife, bone folder. I keep my stamps here, my return labels, anything I might need to return Happy Meals from you guys. This right here, my favorite Care Bear. Those are the paints I was talking about earlier, those spray paints. I forget what they're called, but so back here is nothing. That's just storage. Don't pay attention to that. Eventually I'll probably put something there to block it. But these are all labeled. Each drawer's for a different reason. That's me and my brother. My best friend made this for me for Christmas one year, and I cried so hard, but that's me and my brother that passed away. So each drawer has a reason, and I should really go through those because they're very old. Faith's son drew that picture of Edward for me one year for my birthday, and he's so talented. He does tattoos as well. And then this is my TV that needs to be dusted. And my Wii with a Bath and Body Works. Check that out. I was so excited when I found that. I have to get some refills for it, but yeah, I just plugged it in down here. And my Wii for if I want to work out or play some Mario. And the bookcase just holds my old Twilight books, coloring books. This box right here, that holds all your guys' letters. If I don't put them up in my room on the cork board, then I'll put them in this box right here. Just some random candles and stuff. And then this is the board I was talking about. Anytime you guys send me something that I just love and will cherish, I put it up on that board. But I need to buy another board because you guys are so awesome and just send me so many cute things. So that table there, that holds my Project Life cards. Those are my trolls. Those are my go-to letters for Project Life and journaling. And then just some more cards and stuff. Sorry, the lighting's kind of weird down here, but and then this is my collection of Rainbow Bright stuff and rainbow stuff and anything you guys have sent me. It has a place. I will always cherish anything that's sent to me. If it doesn't go in my journal, it doesn't go on that board, it'll go here or in my Project Life album. So yeah. So that's it, you guys. I didn't want to get too in-depth because you will be bored, but I'm hoping to make a few changes soon. I know this lamp has got to go. It's just something I found down here, so I'm going to get a cuter lamp. I do need more lighting down here, though, but it is my cozy place, and it makes me so happy to come down here. I love it so much, and I want to get it to a point where if someone comes in town to meet me, if you guys want to hang out, like Robin came to see me and Carrie came to see me, like we can come back here and hang out. So I need a table for, you know, anytime you guys come over and want to craft with me. So, and it wouldn't be a video if Stewie wasn't here, huh? Don't mind my dirty carpet, that's paint. Hey, Mistress. Hold on, guys. I'll get him to talk to us. Hang on. Hi. Hi, handsome. What's she doing? Hey, say hi. Hello. Hi. Do you love me? I love you. I love you. Okay. He's not talking right now, of course. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you love it as much as I do. It makes me feel so calm. It's calming. It really is. Eventually I'll get all this cleaned up and this will be a complete rainbow wonderland. I can't wait. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate it. It was a long one, but again, I hope you liked it. And if you have any suggestions or questions, just leave them down below. And I will be seeing you guys real soon. All right, love you guys. Bye.